We're filming that. Damn.
Now you know what it's like to be in the fucking wall.
Get behind the bin. Behind the bin.
I'm in.
Watch this. Watch this.
What's that? How did that do that?
Oh my god.
I know it.
I know it's coming out from playing. Whoa.
Not dug in, it's alright. Get in there! Dig him down.
Big one, little one.
Big one.
Big one.
Putting this in the bin.
Right?
Yeah. That's wobbly.
I know it's in the thing.
Fucking hell! I know that pop right. Fucking serious. Fucking hell. That doesn't speak. It's like it's gone foggy. Whew.
Yeah. That was a beast. Do that again. Right, look.
Yeah.
The big one. Big one.
Shit! Can't see!
Where's that hammer?
Oh, okay, shit. Fucking hell.
These rockets are fun, aren't they?
Oh, that's neat. Don't put the hammer.
I don't know.
Oh. You got it. You're right.
Not bad.
Right, look.
Have you stuck it in?
Right.
Did that the last time.
Right, we're rocking.
Stuck it in.
Yeah, come here, watch!
You want to let go of my watch Oh, could you see it from now? Really?
Oh, what?
Get the hose back.
Oh, what are you doing? You.
Burn your house down with these bastards. How's that exploding like that? Right now. My dad's gonna think, what? Who's burnt the tree down?
Oh, it's so... Is it?
Amazing that, isn't it?
I can't believe before you did anything you went and turned your phone.
Right, that's wrong properly this time. Yeah.
Wait till after the plane's gone in it. Hey man! How's that sound fighting? Oh, the tree! No, wet! Right, lay off the bed. Right, ready? Let's go look in the air this one.
What? Last one, babies.
Oh, is this the last one? Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, they're amazing. Oh, yes.